Gamers, once again welcome to Jokhio apps. Now we are again working on our tournament app. So in our tournament admin we will add one more button. Okay, so here we add a text view and match its styling to previously one.
Okay, let's make it.
And we need to add one more activity. We will call it results because we are going to show the results here. Okay, so this is results from our main activity. Clicking on the button and drawer, we will launch that activity. Component, set screen, results activity and start activity. Now in the results, I have already prepared a linear. Okay, so let me explain it. There is a one linear one, inside it another linear which is vertical linear, and inside it there are 4 horizontal linears. Okay, in the first horizontal linear there are 2 fields for season title and season code. In the second there are 4 fields. These are the 4. In the third there are also 4, and fourth there are also 4. Now these are only 4 horizontal linears. This is edit text. It is in another linear. I mean, this is outside that. Okay, below there is a button. On clicking that button we will collect data from all these text fields and post it in a database. So on click we need a component, create a component. I am calling it results old records, and I will create a map. On clicking that button, create new map and collect all data from these text fields which we have added. After collecting all of that data, we will post it in our database. Okay, and we will post it with the season code. Now here we have to give these descriptive keys so I can remember which one is for what. So here we have to add event listeners because we want to know if our data has been added. Otherwise we will keep clicking on that add data button. Check if child key is equal to the key code which you have entered in the text field. We will show a toast data added. We will add it in the collection, so we will use that. On child, change it also. Okay, so here we will say data changed, data updated. I think now we are done. Let's compile the app and try it. Let me add a few values here for testing purpose. In the first row we can enter the title and code of the season. In the second row we have 4 options to enter the names of winners. Third one is about some other data such as total number of players, how much was the fee, prize pool. In prize pool you can enter total prizes, how much were. And then the third row you get chance to tell about 4 prizes, first, second, third and fourth. And finally we have a field for your YouTube link. You can create a playlist of that season and paste that link here. Again it is not changing data, so let me change something. So data updated. Forgot to do in previous videos is that in main activity we are supposed to show a list of requests which we will get from the main app. Creating a custom view, add a linear width match parent, height will be wrap content, but for now it is match parent. Okay, so here first of all we will add two horizontal linears and a text view, and then another 2 horizontal linears and 2 text views, and then set height to wrap content. Okay, so here we will add 2 text views. In the second we will add a text view and an image view. Now in those two we will add 3 text views in each of them. Okay, so this will be our code. And this will be season name which the user have applied for. Okay, so this is the season code and this is season name. Here we will show the name of user. Set weight to 1. Okay, here we need a image view. Here we will show something else. Guess what? We will show the WhatsApp number. This will be for user 1. User 2. This is the divider, and each of them will have the weight of 1. So this is, guess what is it? It is user 3. The divider, last but not the least, user 4. Wait, 1. So we have, in these we will get the transaction ID and payment method. Okay, so give it a ID of TID. Okay, and this is payment method. P mode. Change their colors to make them beautiful. Make it a little bold, and this one also. WhatsApp, it should match the WhatsApp color. Okay, so what do we have left? I think we are good to go. On create, we will get data from our Firebase. What is its name? Is it called the applications? Okay, let's try. On create, get all children into the list map. Set that data to the list view. We have to select the custom view here, and on bind activity we have to define that all. It's a huge work, but I have to do. So let me pause and grab it from somewhere else. So here we are. I have grabbed all these. Excuse me. So expect these. Their keys were different. I set it to user. So basically what are we doing here? First of all, we are getting the data. So this is this. Okay, list map is that, and we are getting the keys which we have added long ago. I think you are watching the preview on the screen, what we have done previously long time ago. So here we needed TID and mode of payment and season code. Where it is? There it is. Okay, so here we have a if statement. If done equals done, we will set the image view color that, and if done is not equal to done, we will set that. And on clicking that image view, we will create a dialog. I haven't created a dialog component yet, so let me create one dialog component. Let me name it DL. So we will create a dialog, change to not done. We are prompting to ourselves, show the dialog. On clicking that button, we will change the done to no and change the color of that image view, and we will update it the key. What is the key? The key. Okay, so we have secretly stored the key. So here we are doing the reverse. On clicking that, if it is not done, we will make it done. You can see that key, we have stored it long ago, and we will show a message here, which we are, if something goes wrong, we are getting the message from exception. And for that we need a string, name it MSJ. We are all set. Let's compile the app and test it if it is. Okay, so here is the error, map cannot be resolved. Okay, map cannot be resolved. Which map? This map. So we need to create a map. Okay, so now it is resolved. Compile it again. It is loading. Let's see if something happens. No, not yet. So go to app. This is the app, and make a joining request. Let me make a request with some random +923. I'm not going to tell my number. User 1 2 3 4. Transaction ID, I don't have any because I'm not actually trying. So submit the application. Your application has been submitted in the admin app. Let's see if we get it. We are not getting it. Maybe we have done something wrong. I think so. So let's go to sketchware again and exit. Open the tournament app. Let us see where we are. We are storing requests and requests, and I am trying to get them from applications. So get back to admin app. We don't need applications, we need requests. Okay, so here we need requests. on create, getting it from applications. Okay, so on bind, let's see, it is not selected. Select it here also. Now I tada, we got the data and it is working perfectly fine. So now I have to fix the main app. Don't fix, I have to add one more feature in the main app. So here, width 0, height 0, height 0, weight to 1, another linear, weight 1. Okay, so we need content 3 also. Height match parent, width match parent, and let's see if it is weight 1. So okay, it is there. Now weight 0, we will edit that. Okay, so this is content 3. This is going to visible be here. Okay, so here we will add a list view. For that list view we need a custom view. Let's name it results custom. We will add first linear, obviously we always add this, and then we will add 4 horizontal linears and a text view. Okay, so in the first I will add 2 text views, and then all these 3 I will add 4 text views in each. Okay, so height will be wrap content. This is for the code, I mean the season code. No, this is for the, yeah, this is for the code, and the season title. Text size, let me make it a little bit bigger, and code, I'm adding it. Now I will show 4 names for position holders: first position, second position, third position, and fourth. This text view is the button. On clicking this button, users will be redirected to the YouTube video or a playlist where they can watch complete series. Now let me add some style to them according to their importances. Add some weight to these properties, these text fields. Here I will show how many total players joined that competition and the date when this competition was held, and here the pool prize, total prize. Showing the fees is also important because transparency matters. Okay, so here finally comes the place for prizes. First prize, second, third and fourth respectively. Add some weight to these fields also, and the upper one which we have forgot, these also we will add the weight, so they will look even. I just hope it is good. Now it's time to define on-bind custom view. For that view we will set values which we have got from the Firebase into our list map. So we will start showing them. First of all, we will show the code. Okay, so get it position of the list map. So what is our key? Our key is code. Another text, it is title, and its key, I think it was title. This way we will get all texts. one by one get all these values from the list map and set them in the and set them in the text views in our custom view. Only thing you have to take care is your keys you are entering here must match the keys which you have put in the database through admin panel. Now we are all set with text views. Now we have to program the on click event. So when clicked which one, I think it is text view 1. Let's check what is its ID. Okay, so it is text view 1. We will program on click event of text view 1. On clicking that we will launch intent. Okay, so where is intent component? Need an intent component. I'll give it a short name. I set action. I set action. Action view. I set data. Okay, so what is our data? I think it was the link. Okay, so we will launch that intent. On clicking that, we are launching an intent to view that link which we have put from our admin panel. Let's see what are we doing here. Okay, so we are setting all these to go on. Okay. So here we will all content views to go on. Except the one which we are using, and it is content 3. Okay, apart from that we will get data which was that. So it is result is old records. Result is what happened? Result is old records. Okay, so from here on clicking that we will get all data from result is into a new list map. Result is list map. And we will set that data to our list view. Refresh data. Okay, so this has a weight of 0 and content 2 has a weight 1. Let's set it 0. Okay, and content 1 also has a weight of 1. Let us set it 0. Okay, now let's see. And splash linear. as a weight 0 and height is 0. Let us set it match parent, and we have progress linear also. Match parent, match parent, and progress linear, weight is 0, width is match parent. Now we are good to go. Let's compile. Okay, so we got it. Here it is. Let's click the link. Oh, it crashed. So what could be the problem? Let's go to the data. So I have added it. So thing is that in the admin panel I am adding it as video link. Okay, and from my app, from the main app, I am trying to get it as the link. So it is video link, not only link. Now it should work. So this click leads to my channel because I have put my link on that button. Now we have these two more left. This share option I will leave it as it is, and that profile option I will add my about info in next video.